Today we're going to be talking about camera movement and why you should make your camera rig heavier than you think it should be. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about on a camera rig system that is going to make your camera movements a little bit better, especially for handheld shots. So I want to use the Blackmagic Pocket camera in this case for a good example because this camera doesn't have the in-body image stabilization. And the battery sucks for this camera, and I'm pretty sure everybody knows about that. You can shoot stuff with just the camera and the lens, but you're limited to like 25, 30, 40 minutes or whatever it is. Your handheld shots are not going to be that great unless you're using a camera that has image stabilization built in. So what I would suggest is building a little rig for you to help your camera movements look and feel a bit better. So what I would suggest is to buy a camera cage, use an external monitor that you need an NPF battery, and also use an NPF battery adapter for your camera so you can use it a little longer than 30 to 40 minutes. So the reason why I'm saying to use all these things, you're probably thinking it's going to be so heavy. Well, it's actually not. So in this case, you have the NPF battery adapter that's going to be powering the Blackmagic Pocket camera. I'm going to show you a comparison between the camera and the lens itself versus the camera and a whole rig system, and why I would recommend this rig system for your next shots. This is what the whole rig system looks like on the A7 III without the rail system. The only reason why we're not using the rail system is because we do not need that external power source for this camera. The Sony A7 III comes with a really good and reliable power source, but if you are running the Atmos Shinobi monitor and using the NPF batteries, you can run a USB cable from the NPF battery to your camera with the USB-C cable. So I'm not saying to go out there and spend a whole lot of money on a good camera rig system. There are other ways on getting good handheld footage, such as using lenses that have image stabilization built in, but sometimes those can cost a little bit more. In the end, I think a camera rig system is going to be better for you, and also buying a camera cage, which is going to protect your camera as well. So I hope this video helped you guys on how to improve your handheld shots. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video.